Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day and welcome to my channel. And if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to like and subscribe and notification on because we post content like this so to get notified for future video. Be sure to subscribe and notification on, and let's start today's video without any further ado. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your date of birth something went wrong on Spotify. So this problem occurs if you're trying to change your date of birth in Spotify. So the first thing why it would occur is because if you have a slow internet connection, so make sure you guys have a stable internet connection. The second thing is if you try to change your date of birth like a lot of time in like a small duration of time. So let's say I try to change my date of birth 10 times or more in a single day, then this error will occur. But let me show you guys how you guys can normally change your date of birth without any error. If you guys are following some wrong steps, then you can know what wrong steps you have taken, so this error has occurred. So let me show you the correct way. So go to your browser and go to spotify.com like this, and go to the website. And after you come to this website, you can click on profile and click on account and log into your account. After logging into your account, this page opens up. So right now, as you guys can see, this is my date of birth displayed over here. So if I want to change it, I can click on edit profile over here, and after clicking on edit profile, this thing opens up. And now over here, this is date of birth. Now I want to change it. Now you can change the month to whichever you want. You can change the day, you can change the year. So let me change the day to 2. So I've changed the day, so which means I've changed my date of birth. Now after changing the date of birth, and then click on save profile over here. Now the main problem is if you try to change the date of birth like 10 times a day, then the problem will occur when you click on save profile. But if this is your first time changing it, then you can just click on save, wait for some time, and as you guys can see, it says profile saved, which means my date of birth has changed. So let me go to account overview and show you guys. So as you guys can see, my date of birth has changed over here. So that's basically how you change your date of birth and how to fix the error you're facing when you're trying to change your date of birth. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe and notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any problem, make sure to comment down below. We'll try to fix them. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Bye bye and peace out.